Using dreams as prompts for shadow work. How to dream more and have better dreams. This is what we'll cover today, and I'll expand this at the end to talk about how you can control your dreams. Namaste, Sacred Masters. I'm Dr. Iwas Ukehi, Certified Shadow Work NLP Manifestation Coach. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting technique to do shadow work. Dreams. If you're new to shadow work, I suggest checking out some of my courses and introduction for beginners that I'll list down here and in the description box. Utilizing dreams for shadow work are for those who have already done some shadow work and have a clear idea of their self-reflection and have a high sense of self-honesty. You see, because shadow work is about integrating the subconscious with the conscious mind through our repressed personality, dreams are a way to tap into our subconscious mind to see what you need to work on for your shadow work. Things we fear, things forgotten, or we're out of touch with comes up in our dreams. If we pay attention to our dreams, you'll find that your subconscious is trying to communicate with you for the whole of your lives, but you're not paying attention. Dreams are secret windows into our subconscious, allowing us to tap into feelings that have been repressed, and even inspiration for projects and solving problems. But before we find out how this correlates to shadow work, let's talk about dreams and whether or not we dream. Some of you may think that you do not dream. In order for you to not dream, you would not be getting REM sleep. In that case, if you're not getting healthy sleep, you may want to look for a sleep specialist to help you with it. Sleeping is a very important part of our lives, and we need it. For the rest of you, we get an average of 4 to 5 dreams, usually during the most active REM stage of sleep. But the thing is, 95 to 99% of us don't remember our dreams. I believe the reason we don't remember our dreams is because our ego immediately protects us when we wake up. There may be repressed emotions that the ego, your conscious mind, has put so far back that when you wake up, you don't remember it at all. Those of you who have been doing shadow work and exhibiting these strengths to your ego mind may find yourself remembering your dreams more as well. That's because the conscious mind is more confident to allow you to see into your subconscious, knowing that you won't be experiencing a full meltdown. Tapping into the subconscious can be scary. Shadow work trains your conscious mind to allow that more and more to happen because you're more courageous, and as a result, you're tapping into unlimited, vast resources of power. Allowing yourself before you sleep to make a soft affirmation to remember your dreams also helps tell your subconscious mind to allow your conscious mind to open that memory for you. As you begin to dream more, I want you to start a dream journal and record your dreams. Since this will be a part of your shadow work, you can use the same shadow work journal as well. An important thing to look at is symbols in your dreams. Your subconscious talks in symbols in your dreams. From there, you can start looking at those symbols to see if there's a prompt for your shadow work. For example, let's say you have a dream about falling. In your journal, try to remember as much details as possible. Did you lose your balance? Did you slip? Did you fall on your back or on your hands? Details are important. You can easily go to the internet after that, and a simple search query on Google will take you to sites like Dream Doctor or Dream Symbolisms to find out more. You'll find that falling dreams represent instability or lack of support. This is your shadow prompt in which you can begin a simple query into your life. Do you feel overwhelmed? Perhaps in school, at work, or home life, maybe even a personal relationship. Dreaming of a celebrity could lead you on a prompt in your shadow work that you may have a need for recognition, which you can then begin to work on where those feelings are coming from. Is it coming from a place in your childhood that you felt a parental figure did not give you enough love? Maybe they were never around when you were young. You've just found an unhealed part of your shadow child. Your shadow child needs your attention, love, and care. You can only heal it by accepting that it is there and loving it. As I said in my other videos, your shadow child lives in your subconscious, so you'll find it sometimes is literally crying out to you for that attention. Pay attention to it. The more you do shadow work and transform your repressed feelings into positive ones by accepting it, you'll find the darker prompts of your dreams begin to disappear. I used to have nightmares almost every night. Now, I only have a nudge or warning in a dream when I begin to lose track of an aspect of myself that I need to do shadow work on. Dreams are a great way to prompt you into areas of your inner self that you need to work on. Do not be frightened by dreams or nightmares because they are powerful barometers. By taking your dreams and working on it, you are also striking a relationship and conversations with your subconscious. You can literally manifest just by dreaming with that kind of relationships. All those affirmations you think you need, those meditations, those are just ways to tap and integrate your subconscious with you. Having a relationship with one, especially in dreams, is even more powerful. The most advanced dreamers are the ones we call lucid dreamers. These are people who have trained themselves to be fully conscious that they are dreaming and are able to control their dreams. I'll give you some tips at the end on how to do that, but let's talk about lucid dreaming first. Lucid dreaming is fun, and that's almost direct shadow work at its peak. Because when you can control your dreams, you can do anything with your subconscious mind. But first, I want to state that it is important about what you do in your lucid dream. If you're a lucid dreamer, this is the best opportunity to use this time to heal your shadow self. Do not change your dreams and ignore it. In fact, I know that's the benefit of lucid dreaming, is that if it's a nightmare, you can change it around anytime you want. If you're having a nightmare of, say, driving an out-of-control vehicle, rather than change the situation by stopping the car and getting out of it, stay in the car and feel those feelings. Begin to let go, and then slowly take control back of your car. Dreaming of being in an out-of-control vehicle is a sign that a current bad habit may become a long-term problem. So instead of ignoring it, take control of it. Your peak time to do shadow work is literally in your hands if you're one of the lucky lucid dreamers. For the rest of you, this is a trait that can be trained. The important element of lucid dreaming is called reality testing. According to cognitive neuropsychiatry, our level of metacognition is similar in your waking life and dreaming states. So what you can do is create a pattern of reality testing. Find something that you can do in your waking life to test that you are in a waking life and not in a dream state. Common reality checks are checking to see if there's a mirror and seeing your reflection is normal. Test solid objects. Observe your hands in every detail. Does something look amiss? Here's an interesting one. Keep checking the clock. If you're dreaming, the time of the clock will constantly change. I've known people doing reality checks by using a rubber band that they snap on your wrist. Some even pinch their nose, and if they can still breathe, they are dreaming. As your reality checks becomes automatic activity, you'll find that it bleeds into your subconscious, and you start to do these things in your dreams as well. When you suddenly realize something is amiss, you become aware that you're lucid dreaming. There's also no harm in setting an intention before you sleep that you want to remember that you're dreaming. Affirmations that people use to manifest also helps and relaxes the subconscious and conscious to allow you to know that you're dreaming. For me, I've noticed that my second dream is always the one where I lucid dream. I'm one of the lucky ones to wake up in the middle of the night, and I usually find that half an hour later when I fall back asleep, I enter into a lucid dream. You can set an alarm to wake yourself up and do that, but make sure you get at least 5 hours of sleep first. Lucid dreaming can be the most powerful way to do shadow work, and the most surreal as well. Comment below if you want me to design a course on lucid dreaming and shadow work. This will definitely be a long course, as this can take months to do, especially when I have my other clients to take care of first. But if you support this channel, this can help me spend more time on this with you. Hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell helps. YouTube algorithms for those who hit the bell sign beside the notification bell helps me have a better reach and support me that I may do this full time and design more courses for you for free. I hope this video helps you understand how to use dreams to do shadow work. Comment below if you have a dream that you don't know how to interpret, and if it's within 24 hours or so, I'll try to help as much as I can, although I'm not an expert dream interpreter. But I can definitely point you in the right direction to go for your shadow work. Until then, I thank you once again for watching my videos and supporting all our journeys into shadow work. Namaste.